Good afternoon, Sister Cheryl. Pastor Epic here. The news has traversed my ears that you seek to divorce your husband, Ricky.
Yes, Pastor Epic.
So what seems to be the problem, Sister Cheryl?
Ricky is a dirty, liar, and ungrateful man. Me sorry me marry him.
Why do you say that, Sister Cheryl?
He tell me I spend Friday night with him, brother.
Okay, and what is wrong with that?
Upon Friday night time, me dash out the pump pump on him, brother. How him I spend Friday night with him, brother? When me I spend Friday night with him, brother. Dirty boy, I cheat him, I cheat. Ungrateful, dirty, drunk crow.
Sister Cheryl?
Sister Cheryl, Sister Cheryl, Sister Cheryl, Sister Cheryl, Sister Cheryl, Sister Cheryl, you are getting me upset.
Sister Cheryl, you are getting me upset!
You are getting me upset. Stop getting me upset, Sister Cheryl.
Sister Cheryl?
You are getting me upset.
Dear Sister Cheryl, Dr. Radical here. Indubitably, you seem to be a yamed. You are out there giving bun, cheating on your husband, yet you get upset when he does the same to you.
You are getting me upset.
Sister Cheryl,
Do not get me upset. You would not like me when I'm upset, Sister Cheryl.
Epic out here.
yo, see it there? When you just watch a local intro to the local therapist concept when I telling us that me have a one drop. So yeah man, that was the intro. So me just give you a local setup. Basically if you make you know say yo, the character when me have one name Pastor Epic, I see him character as the new character they were name. You are getting me upset, but now me give him a name. Now him name Dr. Radical, you see me, and him a go play the role of the therapist. And a bunch of people are go come visit him and thing, and him a go work out them problem and thing. You see me, so that a go on, and me just make you know what go on. A long time me have a concept and me just say yo, me just drop it down and stop delay thing. So yeah man, so hopefully I be motivated enough and whatever, you see me soon get the motivation for just actually just shoot the real thing. And drop it, but me just a go in the local set up there, you see me? So big up on yourself, the epicest them. You see me? That may I start call my supporters them right now, the epicest. You see me? So when you big up on yourself, the epicest. You see me? Bless up. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for supporting the nigga, you see me? Thanks for watching my stuff, man. Thanks for dropping your comments. Thanks for liking. Thank y'all especially for going over on my YouTube channel and doing the do over there. You see me? It's your boy Radical Epic. I'm out. It's Epic out here. I'm out there.
Epic out here.
Shout out Production.
Radical Epic.
Epic Flow.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epic Flows when I step into my clothes.